Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel to support me. In today's video, I will explain how to unlock the password protected Excel sheet. Please watch the video till the end. This is the Excel sheet that is password protected. Here I cannot edit and write anything. When I try to edit, this error message is showing because it's locked by password. In this video I will explain the process to unlock this sheet without a password. So please watch the video carefully. Step 1 and step 2 is similar to my previous video. That's why I used that video for explanation. Let's start the video. Now create an Excel file and open it. Check the Developer tab in ribbon bar. If there is not showing, then it's need to add. To add the Developer tab in ribbon bar, click on File, then Options, then Customize ribbon, then check mark on Developer. Now developer option is showing in ribbon bar. Now I will change the file format into Excel Micro Enable Workbook. To do this, go on File, then click on Save As, then choose the location. Then choose the file format Excel Micro Enable Workbook and save it. There is one new Excel file created. This is Micro Enable Workbook. Now you can delete the previous created Excel file because there is no need of this. If you want, then change the name of newly created file as per your choice and after that open it. For VBA programming, click on the Developer tab and go to Visual Basics. The new window is open. Now go to the Insert tab and click on Module. That's the location where I need to paste the VBA code for protected password remover. This is VBA code for password remover, which I will paste here. You can get this code by the link given in the description below. Let's copy and paste the code in module. Remember this program subject name. VBA code is successfully added in this sheet. Now close the window and return back the Excel sheet. Go to on the Developer tab and on the Design mode by clicking on them. Then go Insert tab to add the Form Control button and draw the button. Here you need to select the code subject name as I tell you earlier. You can change the name for this control button and design the sheet formatting as per your choice. Now all is done in this sheet and it's ready for work. Let's show you how it will work. Friends, after clicking on this form button, a new window will be open to select the file which you want to remove the protection password. Let's arrange the folder to show you in a better way. This is the sheet that I showed at the starting of the video. Let's again check the sheet is locked or not. Yes, it's locked. Come back to the program sheet. Click on the Form Control button. It will open to select the desired file which you want to remove the password. I select this sheet which is locked by password. Once I select the file and click on OK, the program will start to remove the password, and it will create a copy of the same file which is password removed. Now it started. After completion, this confirmation message shows the workbook and worksheet protection password has been removed. Here is a copy of the same file created, which is password removed. Let's check the file is now editable or not. Yes, its password was removed and the sheet is editable. Friends, I hope this video helped you and you enjoyed this trick. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.